Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I'll show you how to use GPS. All details of GPS in different steps. Stepwise GPS process understanding how to collect data, how to on, how to turn off GPS. This is GARMIN GPS. It tracks 30x. And you can see the GPS and the data cable and batteries. This is GPS. You can see the button, you can see in the north upright corner, and several button in left side and several button in right side. You can see two button, light and back. Light button is used for turn on and turn off, and back button is used for different works. I will show. And here the buttons are broken. You can work with this also. And in the left side, menu button and up and down button you can see. Okay, now in the back side you can see the battery slot and data cable slot. Okay, I'll show you by opening it. Now you can see the data cable slot and battery slot. Okay, these are the two batteries, positive, negative, in two in different side. Okay, and data cable is connected with this GPS, but you can connect this with laptop or anything for data transfer. And in this video of the first step of GPS, I'll show you how to turn on and turn off, which is very much important and to work with GPS. And in next several videos I'll show how to collect data, how to settings different things in GPS. Okay, so first of all I'll show you how to turn on and turn off. You can see the button called light. Okay, this button is used for turn off and turn on. Okay, and back button is used for back, which is in mobile also you can back anything. Okay, and light button, after clicking on light button the GPS will be turned on, and clicking on light button again and pressing the light button the GPS will be turned off. I will show this process. And here the battery power is low, so I will connect with, by clicking on the power button you can turn on, but here as the battery is ended, so it is not turned on. I'll connect it with power bank. See that it is not turned on. You need to click on light button. After clicking on right button, the GPS is opening. Okay, see that the GPS is opened, and after pressing on light button few seconds, and the GPS will be turned off. Okay, I am pressing on light button. See that the GPS is turned off. And this video up to this, and in the next videos I'll show you how to change settings and how to collect data, etc. Thank you for watching till the end. Thank you so much.